These lashes are nice. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Golden Honey. And today I'm going to show you one of my featured items from my online store, softlashes.com. It is these lovely magnetic lashes. You can also get 15% off. All you have to do is go to my store, enter in your email, and they give you details on how to get your 15% off. And I also have this lovely multi-chain bracelet here for $13 in my store. If you don't want it in gold, I also carry it in silver. So let me show you how to put these lashes on and how to take them off. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so every time I put out a video, you'll be notified. So let's get started. Alright, here's the box. It comes with the instructions on the back and what comes in it, and with some tips. So quick disclaimer, before you use the liquid eyeliner, make sure you try it on a small patch of your skin to make sure you're not allergic to it. Also, another disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist, so if I mess up my eyeliner trying to put it on there, excuse me, I don't know how to do it. I don't wear makeup, all I wear is mascara, so excuse me if I mess up. I'm going to go ahead and open this. Okay. It comes with a little card, and on the back they have the tips and how to use and how to remove these lashes. And on the front of the card they have the ingredients, so if you want to know what's in it, it is there. Okay. And here are the lashes, the 4 sets of lashes, different shapes, sizes, and the liquid eyeliner and the tweezers. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tweezers. They come with a little thing on there. It's a little to keep it together. Okay. And it's so pretty. I love it. Go ahead and take it out. It also says on there to also shake it like 10 to 20 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it a little bit. Even though I shook it already earlier, I'm not gonna lie, I shook it, but I'm gonna go ahead and shake it again just to make sure it didn't settle again. And they are beautiful. These are nice lashes. You see that? I've never worn lashes before, so this is gonna be new for me, you know, so I think that's enough. So I have my little mirror on the side right here, so my little mirror, and I'm gonna try to get close for y'all so y'all can see. Drop my box. Okay, and this is the little tube compared to my hand, how small it is. It's very tiny. It's so cute. Let me go ahead and open it. Take forever. And it's liquid. You can see it. Ooh, small tip. It's like a brush, I think. Yeah, it's like a brush. So what you do is, how to apply this, you put it on the base, right down on the eyelash line, and like you applying like on what they call that thing, eyeliner. I can't get the words for it. Like you applying on eyeliner, and you're supposed to let it dry for like, I guess about a minute, I would say, to make sure it's completely dry. It didn't say you have to put on more than one coat. I might put 2 layers on, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it and put this on and let it dry, and then apply the lashes on for y'all. And make sure and it stands. It does not fall. So let's see if I can do this. I'm gonna mess it up. I'm not gonna here. I'm gonna mess it up. I'm gonna go here in my mirror. All right, y'all. I have to go off camera because me and this wasn't getting along, because like I said before, I don't wear makeup. It was a struggle for me. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh no, I don't put on makeup, so all you makeup artists out there, I give you your props, because I can't do it. Y'all got that. That's y'all territory. But even me, with my little experience of know-how of putting on makeup and liner, it wasn't too bad. So it's almost done drying. I did put one layer on. I wasn't gonna attempt the second one. It just wasn't happening. So if you have the skills, you can do it. Put 2 layers on, but I'm pretty sure that 1 layer will do good. And yes, it does. For removal, where's my thing? Okay, put it here. I'm sorry. For the removal of the mess. Oh, it glitched. For the removal of the eyeliner, yes, indeed, it is proven fact by me just now that makeup remover, eye remover, you know, makeup remover gets it off. Guarantee. I tried it. So I think it seemed like it's dry. They said wait a little minute. I think it said on there. Wait a minute. Actually, don't say wait a minute. It says wait till it dries completely. So I'm gonna fan it. Make sure it's dry because I just put it on there. As soon as I put it on, I came back, so it was still freshly wet. So let them babies dry. It's drying. Alrighty, so I think I'm gonna go try all of them. This should be fun. Should be dry by now. So they say you can use your tweezers or you can use your fingers. Either way, I'm gonna try the tweezers and then try with the hand and see which one works best. For me, it might work different for you. You might be the pro with the tweezers. But I'm gonna go ahead and try the first one at the bottom. And it comes off. I have a little magnet strip right there, so it comes on and off easily. And these how it look. Can you see it? Okay. I'm about to go ahead and try these on for you with my fingers first. Let's see if it really comes. Oh, I feel like it's attaching. Okay. Oh, they're on there for real. Oh, did I put that on right? Oh my god, did I put this? This feels so weird. I have some long lashes. Maybe I have it too far over. I'm trying to tug it over. Yeah, like I said, I've never worn lashes before, but these look pretty good. I'm gonna put the second one on. Let me try with the tweezers this time for the second lash. And these are the tweezers. And they stick on immediately. Yeah, me and tweezers don't get along. I'm gonna use my fingers. I'm not sure how these work, but I can feel it attaching. And try to slide it over. And there you go, we have some lashes. Oh wow. They're nice. Oh wow. Not sure if I got it on all the way, but I'm pretty sure y'all are professionals and y'all can get this on real good. So I've never worn lashes, so this is like a new thing for me. This is new. Alright, I'm gonna try to take it off. Let's see how easy it comes off. It comes off fairly easy. Huh. Got a little, no glue. It's still on there. Maybe because I didn't have it on long enough. But these are pretty nice. Let me get it back on there. Okay. All right. So there you go. Put them back on there. And I believe that it's still on. So it didn't take any of the magnetic liner off. So take this off. I'm gonna go with the second ones right here. These are more thicker lashes. I'm gonna place it on there. I guess if they're too long for you, you can always snip off a little bit too. These seems nice. Girlfriend. Get the other ones so you can see it. And they attach very easily. I don't think these suckers are going anywhere. If you put them on there, they're staying put. Could be in the middle of a hurricane and I doubt they're going anywhere. Hey. Oh my gosh. What do you think? They're nice. They're really nice. But if I can just put them on right, I'll be alright. Alright. That was very easy to put on. I look different. Oh my gosh. Onto the class. Alright, I'm gonna do one of each of the next two ones. The next ones. And they come off so easily. These are very easy to use if you're a beginner, because I'm a total beginner. So if I can put them on, I'm pretty sure you can too. So I'm gonna use this one and that one so you can get a good view of how both of them look. So I don't have to make this video that long. It looks like that. These are more natural looking eyelashes. It's like a fan of them. I guess these are like the more glammed up ones. These are cute though. I like them all though. I might wear lashes on occasions. I can't do it every day. And these, how these look. Alright, that look. Ooh. It's very, very girly. So, this is how lashes look on me. So if you want to buy these, like I said, if you want the 15% off, go ahead and head to my store. The link is down below. And check out all my other products I have on there. Okay, and that's it. So I think I love these lashes. I didn't have a reaction to this liner, so you should be safe. My skin's pretty sensitive to everything, so, and that did not faze me at all. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me comments down below. And also check out my website, softandluscious.com. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye. These are really nice.